Tape script 10.29.1.
Hi, Grandma. Can we ask you questions about when you were a child?
Oh, I don't remember very well now, but I'll try. Who gets the first question?
Me! Grandma, did you play games when you were a child?
Of course I did. We played games with my friends. I had a lot of friends.
Oh, and Grandma, did you play games on the computer?
No, I didn't. So, Paul, we played games with our friends, not with computers. How can you play games with a computer? Computers aren't fun.
Did you watch TV when you were 13 years old?
We didn't have TV at home. I never watched TV, but I watched the birds singing in the trees. They are more fun to watch than Cartoon Network. Ugh, I don't like Tom and Jerry.
Did you help your mom and dad at home a lot?
Yes, Dada. I helped them a lot. Every day I cooked breakfast and my sister cleaned the house. My brother helped my dad. Everyone was busy. In our days, children help their mom and dad a lot. Do you help your mom and dad, Dada?
Did you cycle to school?
No, I didn't. I walked to school. I walked with my friends. We walked for 2 hours to go to school.
Wow!
Did you have a phone?
No, I didn't. We didn't have phones when I was your age. We talked with our friends face to face, not on a phone.
Grandma, did you have internet? Were you on Facebook?
So, Paul, now you're being silly. No one was on Facebook when I was 13. No one was on Facebook when I was 50.
Tape script 10.29.2. Cry. Cry. Wait. Wait. Carry. Carry. Cover. Cover. Call. Call. Miss. Miss. Tape script 10.29.3. T. T. Mist. Mist. Liked. Liked. Cooked. Cooked. Watched. Watched. D. D. Covered. Covered. Cold. Cold. Cried. Cried. Played. Played. Id. Id. Waited. Waited. Carried. Carried. Hated. Hated. Wanted. Wanted. Tape script 10.29.4. A long time ago. A long time ago. Last week. Last week. 3 days ago. 3 days ago. Yesterday. Yesterday. Last night. Last night. Now. Now. Tape script 10.29.5.
Hi, my name is Chinedu. I'm from Nigeria in Africa. 2 years ago, I had the worst holiday ever. Guess what happened? Well, I went camping with my friends. We stayed on the mountain for 3 days. On the first day, it rained. We got all wet. We were really cold. We didn't play any games. There was a very strong wind. We just watched the trees dance. It was so dark, we couldn't make a fire. Then, on the second day, I heard strange noises. I was so scared. I knew I heard monster noises. I called my mum, but she didn't answer. I didn't sleep that day. On the last day, something happened. It made me cry. Can you guess what happened?
Hi, my name is Chisholm. I'm from the Philippines. Last week, I had the best holiday ever. Guess what happened? Well, I went swimming with my family. We went to 3 beaches. On the first day, we traveled by boat. We ate and sang songs on the boat. We traveled for 4 hours. We were very excited. Then we went to an island. We stayed there for the night. Mom cooked dinner and we ate at the beach. It was the most delicious meal ever. I also met a nice boy. We played volleyball on the beach. I really like him. Yesterday we traveled back home. Something happened on our way home. It made me really happy. Can you guess what happened?